Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join partner program in Medium. So first you just have to simply go to Medium and log into your account right here. Now you have to tap on your profile, and then once you tap your profile you have to scroll down and look for apply to the partner program. You have to tap this one right here. So this is what it looks like, Medium Partner Program. You have to read the following here. You have to understand everything, and then once done, and all you have to do is click Apply Now. As you can see, it will ask for your country, so you have to select your country right here. Look for your country and then tap on Select, and then tap on Next. Now, basically, after you tap next, then you should see right away if you are eligible for this program. So if you're not, then you need to follow this instruction in order for you to apply for this program. So you must be a member first. This is the information. You have to upgrade your plan in short. And if you upgrade your plan, then you can avail this feature below for this amount right here. You can start writing, you can start earning, you can share your Medium platform. So all you have to do is select this one and then proceed with the payment method. So there are tons of payment method right here. Just click one, and then once you are a member, then you can now proceed with the other instruction, and that is to publish. So you need to publish something, or you must have published an article for the last 6 months. So you must do this in order for you to be eligible for the partner program. So once you're done with this, once you have published articles, and once you have upgraded your plan and become a member here in Medium, then basically you can now go back and then look for the apply now button again, and try to become a member or to become a partner for this program. So basically, that's it. If you want to know more information about this partner program in Medium, then you can go back and then scroll down to their main site. Below, you should see all information about this Medium partner program. And all you have to do is to follow the instruction, follow everything here to be eligible, follow the requirement, and then after that, tap Apply Now. And basically, that's how easy it is to join partner program in Medium. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.